PowerPoint for BIM, Lesson 1. Lesson 1 topics: PowerPoint labeling, Home tab with ribbon buttons, Insert tab with ribbon buttons, and Status bar. We will begin with PowerPoint labeling. First, the Office button. It is located in the top left-hand corner. You will find general commands such as File, Open, and Save in a drop-down menu. The ribbon, a tabbed menu with related sets of functions. Current slide, the slide which you currently have displayed. Thumbnails, small icons displayed to the left in normal view that represent the slides on the slideshow. Status bar houses the current slide number, total number of slides, slide views, and zoom. Next up, Home tab with ribbon buttons. The Home tab displays the buttons on the Home ribbon. The New Slide button adds a new slide. Layout changes the layout of a selected slide or slides. Delete deletes a selected slide or slides. Shapes. You may choose a shape, click and drag on the slide to draw the shape. Shape Fill allows you to fill the shape with a color or no color for transparency. Shape Outline allows you to choose the shape outline color or no color for transparency. And Shape Effects allows you to choose a shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D that can be added to shapes. Let's try a couple of things. First, let's add a new slide. Make sure you're on the Home tab. Click New Slide. If you do not like the layout of the slide, you can click Layout and choose a different layout. We'll choose Title and Content. Let's add a shape. We'll choose Star, click and drag on the slide to create the star. If we'd like to fill the star, we'll choose Shape Fill, and we'll choose a color. Let's change the outline color. We'll go ahead and choose an effect. Now let's delete the slide. This is the conclusion of our practice with the Home tab with ribbon buttons. The next item we're going to look at is the Insert tab with ribbon buttons. The Insert tab displays the ribbon buttons on the Insert ribbon. First up on the Insert tab is the Picture button. It inserts a picture from a file, but the picture must be saved. There's also Clip Art. Clip Art images from the software and the web, if accessible, may be added. There's also Photo Album, a series of photos that can be inserted from File to create full-screen images in an album. You can also add shapes. Same as from the Home ribbon, choose a shape, click and drag on the slide to draw the shape. Create a text box. Click and drag to create the box and type inside. Word art, using artistic text. Slide number. All or specific slides can be numbered within a slideshow. With Movie, you can add video clips to slides to play when clicked or automatically. And with sound, you can add audio clips onto slides to play when clicked or automatically. All right, let's practice some of these skills from the Insert tab. First, let's go to Picture, and we'll insert a sample picture. The picture can be resized by clicking and dragging the corner. Next on the Insert tab is Clip Art. A panel will appear, and you can type in what you would like to search for. Here, we're going to search for a white tiger. Click Go. When you see the world symbol, you'll know that these images come from the World Wide Web. Click an image and it will appear on your slide. You can also change the size by dragging a corner. Back to the Insert tab. Photo album is next, but we'll come back to that one. Shapes are inserted the same way as from the Home tab. Choose a shape, click and drag. Text box. When you choose text box, click and drag, and then type in the text box. For word art, there's several choices of colors. Go ahead and make your selection, and then type inside the box. If you would like to add slide numbers to your slides, choose Slide Number. Check the slide number box, and either choose Apply to only apply to the current slide, or Apply to all the slides. Here we're just going to apply to this slide. Notice that this slide is slide 9. Let's add a sound. Click on the Sound button, choose Sound from File, choose a pre-recorded sound, and choose OK. You have the choice to play automatically or when clicked. Let's choose automatically. You have this symbol here. We're going to check the Hide During Show box so that our speaker symbol does not show during the slideshow. Let's go back to the Photo Album button by dropping down on the Photo Album button. Click New Photo Album. We're going to add it from File. Let's go to our documents. Choose a series of pictures and press Insert. When you press Create, it will make each picture a full-sized slide. Okay, that's all for the Insert tab. See you next time for the taskbar. Next up is the taskbar. On the far left of the taskbar, you'll see the current slide number, the number of the slide on which you are currently located. The next number is the total number of slides in your slideshow. Next is the normal view. This is the view in which the current slide and the thumbnails are displayed. Slide sorter view, the view in which all slides are displayed in a small version, and it's the easiest view to rearrange slides. Slideshow view. This begins the slideshow from the slide that is currently selected. We are currently in slideshow view. Zoom. You can zoom in or out of the currently selected slide to make the slide larger or smaller. Let's look at the taskbar. Currently, we are on slide 10 of 11, and we are in normal view. But let's look at the slideshow and slide sorter view. We can easily rearrange slides by dragging the slides around, or we can play the slideshow on the current slide. If we go back to normal view, we can change the zoom of the slide by zooming in, or we can zoom out to make the slide smaller. This concludes Lesson 1. Thank you for watching.